Hey guys, before we get into this one take, I'm going to tell you something shocking. I have a lot of experience with razors. Thanks to my Syrian heritage and the fact that I look better with no hair than any hair at all, I have been a lifelong fan of buzzers, and I've used a lot of them. This is the one I use normally at home. It's something only old Italian barbers use. Like, literally, crazy people have this. No one uses this. And on the road, this is my road setup. Yuck. Now I found something new. This is the Brio Beardscape, and this thing is a powerhouse. The Beardscape has a battery that's double the size of most battery-powered shavers, so it lasts a really long time. That also means it can use a bigger electric motor, which gives it adjustable speeds, and it can go really, really fast. When you have a razor that goes really fast, you get less snags, pulls, and cuts. Furthermore, the blades on the Beardscape are actually ceramic, not plastic like it looks like, and the rake is titanium coated, so you have good lubricant and a really fast, slick shaving experience. The Beardscape comes with 2 attachments, each of which have 2 sides, a thing of lubricant and cleaner, and I'm giving you the free travel pouch, throwing it in there. Best price around, hit the link in the description. Thank you for your time, now enjoy this one take.
Good morning, everybody. I'm on this side of the car today, and that means JDM Goodness joining us from Vancouver, BC. It's Travis. Thank you, sir.
My pleasure.
So excited. I have said many times that if I had to choose just one type of vehicle to drive forever, it would be homologation rally cars. And this is a homologation rally car, the Toyota Celica GT4 JDM vehicle, obviously right-hand drive. Super excited. Tell me about this car.
Had it for about a year now. Paid $5,800 Canadian.
Fuck, really?
Yeah, man.
Oh my god, this thing is so fresh too.
You know, put a couple grand into it. It's got Teen S-Tech springs, KYB shocks. The brakes have been refreshed. Steering wheel, shift knob, 3-inch stainless exhaust all the way back. Basically straight light. So
to back it up just from that a bit, from the modifications, what made, for those of you in America, which is most of our audience, the Celica GT4 is the successor to the Celica all-trac of the 80s and 90s. All-wheel drive, turbocharged, and they built this car so that they could build proper rally cars and race in WRC and various other organizations.
Absolutely, yeah.
So the powertrain is what?
It's a 3S GTE, so basically the same engine out of a turbo MR2.
Okay.
A little more power because it's got the water to air intercooler, a little higher boost, runs 16 pound stock.
And how much power did this make from the factory?
252 horsepower, 225 pound-feet.
Which is a bunch for, what year is this?
It's a 95.
Yeah, that's a bunch for that.
It's not bad.
Well, I'm excited. Let's have a drive.
Let's
see how it goes. You said the clutch was tough, but I didn't find that.
Not
or maybe you said just tricky.
Yeah, a little tricky, but
this clutch, I think, is actually kind of soft.
Yeah, it's a little, it bites in a small portion, but it's actually pretty soft, yeah.
Oh, okay. So all you got to do is right away, you get it.
Oh, yeah.
It's got rally car steering.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice,
short wheelbase.
Quick steering, short wheelbase, leans into that corner.
Yeah.
But high confidence.
The teen springs helped a lot.
Oh, it makes the right sound.
Makes the right noise, yeah. It's got blow-off valve.
Very cool.
It's got new Pilot Sports, but they are all seasons.
Okay.
But I'm in Vancouver, right? So I kind of need them, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, it's a rally car, not a supercar.
Yeah, exactly.
So is this your everydayer?
I have an E28, that's my daily. Old BMW, but this is my toy for the weekends. And a bit of an investment car, you know what I mean?
So far, I really like it. The engine is very smooth, but it's lively, and it's got good, it's like medium power. It's like manageable power.
Exactly. For a turbo car, it makes pretty good torque.
Yeah.
Peak boost around 3. Red line 72.
And because the speedometer's in kilometers, I feel like I'm going very fast.
Very fast, exactly.
Good brakes.
Yeah, you got to get into them a bit, but then they bite hard. It's got the twin turbo Supra brakes, so 4-pot in the front and 2 in the back.
This is delightful. I like this a lot.
I'm glad you like it, man. I had a lot of fun driving down. Did the coast road the whole way.
Oh man. Gear shifter's nice. It's like, it's well damped, but very accurate shifts.
I just put that
medium
the weighted shift knob on there, and
Does that help?
I could actually tell a difference. I was surprised. I thought it was a gimmick, you know?
Yeah, no, that mass of the knob, it really does. It helps you, yeah. I've tried that before, a car with a light shift knob and then the heavy one. It does help.
Yeah.
Oh, the throttle response is really good too. You just cost me $6,000, bro.
Dude. There's plenty of importers in Canada. It'll be legal in 2019.
This is cool as hell. How is it in the snow?
Oh, it's great, man. I haven't done too much. You know, I haven't done any real rally driving, but there's plenty of rally cross up in BC. I'm kind of tempted, you know what I mean?
Yeah. What other changes do they make from the standard Celica?
So it's basically a completely different car, completely different suspension. Really, it's a real bitch to get parts. It's all shipped overseas.
That's the downside? Yeah.
Because it never came to North America, right?
The downside is it sort of looks like a normal Celica, except everything about it is more annoying. Yeah.
So it's got Toyota Super Strut front suspension. So basically, that's a cross between a McPherson and a double wishbone. Basically, so you don't change camber when you load up the shocks, right?
Oh, so yeah, when you're rally driving, you don't want this camber changing.
So the camber and the caster will stay the same. And other than that, like there's extra bracing everywhere. It comes with a strut bar, front strut bar, and there's like pipes in the doors and behind the dash, so really stiff frame. And then the engine, obviously, and the transmission. Really, it's a completely different car.
Let me ask you something. Why isn't everyone constantly talking about how awesome these are?
I know, it's kind of like a hidden gem, you know?
I mean, I knew that it was cool because it was a homologation rally car.
Yeah, exactly.
No one's ever like, oh, by the way, those drive amazing.
Yeah. And you know, I don't know if you heard the story about them cheating in '95. Did you hear that?
Is that what this one?
Yeah, it was this year. It was '95. About halfway
But that's
through the
only
season.
the race car, right? The street car doesn't have any of that wonky stuff.
No,
right?
exactly.
Yeah.
But
well, this is certainly a driver's car. Wow.
I'm glad you like it, man.
Wow. That's. Oh no, well, we're gonna have to wait now.
We'll have to wait a bit,
I ain't following that guy back. Holy shit, this thing goes, doesn't it? This is lovely.
Man, you know?
$5,800. Holy shit.
For sure.
You couldn't spend $5,800 better on anything else.
Yeah, I mean, I couldn't find anything I like better.
I can't think of anything. Forget cars. I mean, any object that costs $5,800, like watches, fucking diamonds. I can't think of anything. Oh, look, there's a ladybug on me.
Yeah, the amount of fun I've had in this car for that kind of money, man, it's nuts.
That's unreal.
Yeah,
that's absolutely unreal. Let's loop it around. Okay, we may catch up to that Tahoe. Turning radius, not great, actually.
Pretty terrible.
It's pretty terrible.
Pretty terrible, yeah.
This is what happens in my Focus RS as well.
Yeah.
The all-wheel drive transverse layout is just not set up for getting angle.
Exactly.
This is so nice. Now, I mean, granted, it's not as like fast as like a modded Evo or something.
or like a GTR or something like R32, like yours. You know, that would leave it in the dust. But
I really like the ride. It rides really well.
Not bad. Yeah.
As an everyday car, this is super cool.
It's pretty comfortable. You know, you can fit a couple bags in the back.
Yeah.
Like this came out the same time as the MR2, and this was considered the luxury one. You know what I mean?
Well, I've done a lot of MR2s, up to and including I did one last week in Texas that was 900 horsepower.
Holy shit.
And
I'm looking forward to seeing that.
It was scary. You know, it was scary as hell.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because where in the world do you have enough room to run that?
Yeah,
you know?
Exactly. We did the V6 swap, or no? Was it?
This one was a four-cylinder, built four-cylinder.
Yeah.
It was extremely crazy and sketchy, but it worked.
Oh, I'm sure.
It was crazy, but it worked. But I like this. This is more to me of a tourer.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it's a rally car, but it's a lovely street car too.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, the thing I like about this car is people that know it know their shit.
They lose their shit, and if they don't know it, it's invisible. Right?
Yeah, exactly. And if you know it, you know cars, right? So you know you got something in common with that person, right? So.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not like the R32 where people see the word Skyline and make some assumptions.
Exactly.
Is this person going to pull off for us? There's a pull off right around this corner.
Is he going to do it?
Will they do it? If not, we will do it and wait because I don't want to. Oh no, that was the wiper. It's the other way.
Yeah, that's attaboy. Gentlemen, that horn doesn't work.
Thank you. Actually, let's be correct. It was a woman. It was a gentle woman. But I tried to flash the high beams and got the wipers.
Oh, yeah.
Stupid backwards blinkers.
That's the worst part about driving right-hand drive,
Yeah,
man.
that and looking up here for your mirror.
That too.
But you get used to it, actually.
It's not bad.
No, it's not.
I swap back and forth all the time.
You need to get the grabber for the drive-through?
Yes, I need one of those. The old person thing, right?
Yeah, I had one in my Skyline. Dude, this car is extremely cool. And does it, all right, so you've had it for a year. You said parts are tough to find, but does this car have any real, like, vices? Is it like, oh, it's known for eating turbos, or it's known for...
No, the rear diff mount goes. I've replaced that already.
Well, that's got to be a piece that's unique to this car,
is,
isn't
yeah,
it? So
yeah.
is that the hard to find part?
No, there's plenty of websites. You just got to wait a month to get it, right?
Yeah.
Everything's coming overseas.
Yeah.
And even, you know, I said it's hard to find parts. There's plenty of websites. You just got to be patient and pay for shipping,
Or
you know?
fluent in Japanese.
Or exactly.
So you would say even though the car is cheap, comfortable, and overall well-made and reliable, that alone could be a deal breaker if you're talking about dailying.
And it is a deal breaker for a lot of people.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
I do all the work on it myself, or 95% of it, so that saves me a lot of money because a lot of shops won't even touch it, right? But just doing it myself, knowing where the parts are coming from, it's not that bad to maintain. And it's a Toyota, you know, it's reliable.
Yeah, fundamentally it works properly.
Exactly.
But if one little thing goes and the car's down for a month,
because you're waiting,
and you can't go to work, and you're like, but boss, uh-oh.
Nice.
Sorry about that.
No, dude.
That was my Petter Solberg deer avoidance maneuver.
Man. You hawk Hankin in the
I
right
did
seat,
lock
man.
up the rears a bit, but I kept her straight.
No, that's good, man. I wasn't worried.
That's fun.
That's crazy.
Yeah, but if you're not a collector or someone with another car, you know, you don't want to have to.
Yeah, I don't know if I'd use it as a daily.
Yeah,
you know,
but boss, it's a homologation special. I don't give a fuck. Why aren't you at work?
Yeah, exactly.
Go get a Camry, you asshole.
Yeah,
What are you doing?
exactly. Good second car for sure.
I'm so glad you came out and let me have a go in this. I know you came from super far away, but really that was a very neat treat for me.
Oh,
so
hey, it's my pleasure, man. I was
really appreciate it.
A little nervous. Wasn't sure if you'd like it or not, but
No, I like it. I like it very, very much.
I'm glad.
It's amazing. It's there's from the driver's seat, you know, aside from the mild inconvenience of being on this side of the car, there's not a lot of downside.
No.
It's very comfortable, and it rides well, and it's accurate steering, and the inputs are good, and the brakes are good, and the power gets down. It sounds good. It revs up.
Yeah, for sure, man.
Sweet. Real sweet. Thanks, Travis. That was awesome.
My pleasure.
I hope the people out there enjoyed that. I hope that it translates, because this is a lovely car that people don't really talk about.
It needs a little more love, I think.
Oh, it really, really does. Well, I hope that's a share of love for the GT4 people, because that was dope. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.